Before we begin filtration, I will first show you how to properly fold the filter paper so that it fits in your funnel and does not let any solid escape through the filter paper. As you can see, the filter paper does not stay in the funnel on its own. You'll need something to get it to stick to the inside of the funnel. Using a little bit of distilled water will help create surface tension that will keep the filter paper stuck to the funnel. Now we will begin our gravity filtration process. Grab your beaker with the suspension in it and a glass stir rod, and use the glass stir rod to pour the suspension into your paper filter and funnel. Take extra care not to lose any of your suspension as you're pouring it into the paper filter. The glass stir rod will help with this. If any of your solid has become condensed or stuck to the side of the beaker, you can use distilled water to help remove some of it back into the paper filter. I will show a close-up of this later in the video. As you can see now, gravity is starting to pull the water through the paper filter while leaving the solid from the suspension stuck in the paper filter. This is a close-up of the bottom of the Erlenmeyer flask as gravity pulls the water through the funnel and filter paper down to the bottom of the flask. Here's a close-up video on how to remove solid from the bottom of the beaker when it has become condensed or stuck to the bottom of the beaker. You can use distilled water to squirt out the solid into your filter paper. Be careful again not to lose any of your solid. Gravity filtration is a great alternative to vacuum filtration, but should only be used when you have plenty of time on your hands, as it can be a slow process. And here's the finished product of our gravity by filtration experiment. As you can see, all the solid from the suspension was left behind in the filter paper, while all the liquid was pulled through the filter paper by gravity and is now collected at the bottom of our Erlenmeyer flask. You can now remove the filter paper with the solid intact in the filter paper. Weighing the filter paper and solid and subtracting the original mass of the filter paper will give you a total mass of solid collected. Be careful when removing the filter paper because it does rip very easily.